Alright, this video is going to be on how to install the Techt L7 bolt for the Ion XC. Obviously, first you have to take the back cap out of your Ion. Like so. Put it to the side for now. Maybe take the stock bolt out. Like so. Go out the side. Take the Techt L7 bolt out of the package. Bolt, very light. Bolt stop. Back plug. So now what you're going to need to do is get some lube or grease or whatever you want to use. Okay, you do not lube this back O-ring right here where the Allen key is. Only one you lube is the one in the middle. Just put a little bit on your finger. Maybe that's just a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, but not too much. Just enough. Okay, you're going to have to back out the Allen key head just a tiny bit, a little bit. Just so it lets the pressure off this back O-ring right here. Not very far though, just so it's not compressing the O-ring. That should do it. Just enough. But not even that far. There you go. Okay, take your back cap, and with the Allen key screw, the head of it goes down into it, so you're gonna be looking at a flathead. Look, you just drop it into your back cap. Take a flathead screwdriver and push it down. That's it. Push it down as far as it goes. And that's done for now. The next thing you're going to do is take the back cap. Not the back cap, the bolt stop. And grease it up. The inner O-rings and the outer O-ring. Since it's the first time putting it in, go ahead and maybe give it a little more than normal, but not too much. Nothing like crazy. Put my hair on my hands. Just enough to get that O-ring nice and lubed. And then the inner O-ring. Like so. Now just sit down for now. Okay. Now we're going to lube this bolt. It says to lube the actual bolt head. I would maybe do that the first time, maybe. I wouldn't do it every time. And you're supposed to obviously lube this back part right here, because it is going to be sliding up and down on that, obviously. So start off right there. Just lube it up nice and good. Lube the O-rings. Like I said, this is the first time using this bolt, so maybe a little extra lube might not hurt it. Lube the actual body of the bolt itself, not to get on the head though. But lube that bad boy up just like that. That should be good. Alright, now everything's nice and lubed. Go ahead and put the bolt stop on there. Put that lube on there. Just like so. Alright, now take your back cap, the part we used earlier. Stick the bolt on the back cap just like so. Like that. You have to hold it. And put it back together. Just like so. Easy on it. Maybe just in case you might want to make sure that that bolt stop stayed on there. It is. Alright. Sorry about that. Now, just put the back plug back on. Back plug. And enjoy the Techt L7 bolt. Make sure, obviously, if you put a QEV in there, and this Techt L7 bolt, you need to get into your settings and set your dwell down pretty far. They suggest on the Techt site anywhere from 10 to 20, starting out at 10 and just working your way up to figuring out where your gun is going to run good. That's in combination with the QEV too also. If you don't have QEV, you have to go a little higher than that. Alright, well, have fun. Thanks for watching.